How to view secret conversation in Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. Click on the person. After you've clicked on the person, you will find the chat open up. Click on their name at the top. After you've clicked on their name at the top, scroll down and you'll find Go to Secret Conversation. Click on Go to Secret Conversation and you will find your secret conversation pop up, which will be end-to-end encrypted. You can start a conversation from here, but if you already have a secret conversation with them, you can simply click on their name, scroll down to Secret Conversation, and your secret conversation will pop up. This is how to view secret conversation in Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.